Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing 5 DIYs for Valentine's Day decorations. If you like any of these DIYs, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. For our first DIY, you will need yarn in 3 colors and you will need to make some pom-poms from these. Thread a needle with yarn and start passing pom-poms through it. If you want me to make a video on how to make these DIY pom-poms, let me know in the comment section. This is the order of colors that I am following, and I passed about 20 pom-poms, which is basically 4 sets, to get a final length of about 2 meters. Cut out 5 hearts from glitter paper and stick them after every set of 5 pom-poms. And that's it, our first DIY is ready. For our next DIY, you will need 3 A4 size cardstock paper. Fold them into half and draw this pattern. Cut them and then fold them at about 1.5 to 2 inches at the top. Next, I'm using a rose gold sheet and I've drawn some letters on a piece of regular paper, and using those templates I'm drawing my letters onto that LOVE. Cut out these letters. Also cut out 2 hearts in pink and stick these letters and the hearts one on each sheet. Flip these cards over, pass a string of yarn and stick these with scotch tape to form a garland. I also added another piece of glitter heart on these pink cards, and this DIY is ready. For this DIY, you will need an old red t-shirt or any red fabric. Fold a piece of paper, draw and cut out a heart. Place it on the fabric and draw the outline of the heart with a piece of chalk, leaving an offset of about 1 inch. Now place the heart template on a piece of cardboard. Draw and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Cut the fabric too. Place the cutout heart cardboard piece on the piece of fabric, make a cut in the center and then start gluing it with glue gun. Glue only the top half of the heart. Now for stuffing the heart, I'm cutting out an old pillow and using the inside stuffing. You can even use cotton or some fabric scraps if you have that on hand. Stuff the heart about halfway through. Flip it over and glue another part of it. And fill up the last bit and then glue the rest of it. Stick a small piece of yarn or thread on the back side to hang this on a wall. And our cute little heart is ready. If you would like to further decorate it, you can also use some sequins lace and write something like this. For our next DIY, you will need some cardstock paper. I'm using the one from Michaels. And these are the exact shades that I'm using from these packs. Cut them into hearts. Next, I'm going to take a 12-inch embroidery hoop and tie strings as shown. So totally I will be tying about 4 strings. If you don't have an embroidery hoop, you can also cut this out from cardboard. Next, what I'm going to do is take an embroidery thread and stick about 5 strings on a table with sellotape and cut the strings at an angle, the center one being the longest, and start placing your hearts under these strings with the darker colors on top and the lighter ones towards the bottom. This is what I placed it like, with 2 maroon hearts on the top, then 2 red, 2 darker pink and 1 light pink. On the second string I have a single maroon, 2 reds, 2 dark pinks and 1 light pink. Third one with a single maroon and red, 2 dark pinks and 1 light pink. And the last 2 strings are one of each. Stick them with small pieces of scotch tape. Before we start hanging these strings onto the embroidery hoop, I'm going to tie a piece of string in the center and start pulling the strings out, leaving the scotch tape on the table itself. Hang the embroidery hoop somewhere to a hook and then start sticking the strings onto the embroidery hoop. And snip the extra thread off. And this is what our pretty little heart hanging looks like. And for our last DIY, I have cut out some hearts in various colors and sizes. Thread a needle with yarn, pass it through these hearts on one side and then tie a double knot. You can use any string or thread to do this. You will also need some tree branches or sticks collected from outside. I will be painting these sticks in matte finished acrylic paint. Place all the painted sticks in a jar and start placing the hearts on the branches. Decorate the jar as you like with some ribbon and lace. I'm also adding a bow. You can use this as part of your Valentine's Day decorations or on your coffee or center table. So guys, those were our 5 beautiful yet easy DIY decorations for Valentine's Day. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves if you haven't already done so. Thank you for all your love and support. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.